Peddling Dougie, don't look back. That's awesome. Had to duck off the road, let the storm pass. I think it's got some big heavy drops. I hear a lot of rumbling. There's a lot of blustery wind. Pretty cool though. I should be alright. I'm just going to take this up, tie it right there, and then get my bags off the front and get them under the tarp. That is a cool breeze. It's about 85 degrees now. So it could be a heavy thunderstorm. Probably gonna get soaked, but at least I'm not gonna get run over out on the road in the heavy wind and rain. Get hit by a branch. I think I'm safe here. Good thing I played the wind. We're staying dry, if you can believe it. The sleeping bag in this situation is the main thing. That and the electronics. So I got the sleeping bag and my emergency garbage bag. Some pretty thunder.